Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights and tutorials. Regrettably, I cannot access external URLs or specific files online, including the content of the mega link you provided. Therefore, I am unable to rewrite the transcript from the video. However, I can offer some guidance on rewriting transcripts in general. When rewriting a transcript, focus on these key elements. ****** clarity and flow ***** transcripts often contain spoken language quirks like pauses, fillers, and incomplete sentences. Smooth these out for improved readability. Ensure the text flows logically and cohesively. ***** conciseness, while maintaining length ****, even though you requested the rewritten text be the same length, look for areas where you can express the same idea more succinctly. You can then use the gain space to expand on other areas, add more detail, or include illustrative examples. This will enrich the text while keeping the length consistent. ****engaging language ****, replace bland language with more dynamic and vivid words. Use stronger verbs and descriptive adjectives to paint a clearer picture for the reader. ****, formatting for readability ****, break up large blocks of text into smaller paragraphs. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and bolding to highlight key information and improve visual appeal. ****, adding value ****, don't just rephrase the original text, add value by incorporating relevant examples, providing additional context, or linking to related resources. This will make the rewritten text more informative and engaging for the reader. ****, SEO optimization, if applicable ****, if the rewritten text will be published online, consider incorporating relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. ****, accuracy most importantly, ensure the rewritten text accurately reflects the meaning and intent of the original transcript. Once you provide the actual text of the transcript, I will be happy to assist in rewriting it for you, following your specific instructions and maintaining the original length. Remember to paste the text directly into our conversation.